In the heart of Remoland, a light was born. From humble dawns the thunderous change, Remo Secondary School rose, rewriting what education could be, forging paths where none existed. For generations, it has stood a beacon of wisdom, a forge of giants.
Remo, 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 Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. We lead the way. We lead the way. We lead the way. How great is I we shout, the path we follow. We shall foreigners before us have gone, lifting high our banner. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Shine for the light. We lead the way. We lead the way. Lifting high the torch as the light, here shine forth, show us the way. Honesty and love about us shall be, throughout this path this will achieve. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Shine for the light. We lead the way. We lead the way.
Only the best is good for our school. Honesty is the best policy.
This will reign in all that we do, in a work and our play.
Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. Remo Secondary School, shine for the light. We lead the way. We lead the way. For God and fatherland. Our school.
The first school that pioneered the co-educational system in Nigeria is celebrating 80 years of impact. Come and witness the 80th anniversary of Remo Secondary School. Chief host, Governor of Ogun State, His Excellency Prince Dakwa Abiodun. Host, Senior School Principal Mrs. Oluwatoyin Ashaye. Junior School Principal Mr. Shoneye Samuel. Co-host, National President of RSS Old Students Association, Rosa Are Adetola Emmanuel King. Royal host, Oba Babatunde Adewale Ajayi, Akarigbo and paramount ruler of Remoland. Chairman of the day, Senator of Ogun West Senatorial District, Solomon Olamilekan Adeola Yayi. Royal fathers of the day, Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye, Enitan Ogunwusi, CFR Ojaja II. Alafin of Oyo, Oba Abimbola Akim Owade 1. Date, February 2nd to February 8th. Place, Remo Secondary School, Shagam. Come one, come all, and let's celebrate RSS 80 years of national and intergenerational impact.